I gave you my heart.
Welcome to $1 Million Cafe. Today we are going to see about the one exercise with multiple benefits. Yes, we see what will happen when you do plank exercise every day. What are the things you are going to get after watching this video is that how to do your plank exercise in the correct way to get all the benefits. What are the benefits we can get once you do it every day? How to improve your plank time gradually. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe because we are preparing valuable contents daily only for you. Just subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified. Why is the plank exercise important? The plank pose is mainly used to increase your core muscle strength, and it also builds up a lean mass in your body. The core muscles are nothing but the muscles that are used in most forms of movement in your body. By holding it in a plank position, you experience your whole body is trained because it impacts on each and every muscle that is useful in movements. Now let's see what are the benefits when you do daily. Increase your core muscle strength. It directly hits the abdominal part of your body. It strengthens the major 4 muscle groups in the stomach. This helps increase the ability to lift the heavier weights and in improved performance in sport activities, and also increases the ability to move fast. Strengthens your back and spinal cord. Doing planks regularly can reduce your back pain because it supports and strengthens your back. When the back becomes stronger, you don't need to overuse that muscle group in the back. So it's easy to handle the daily activities without any back pain. Improve your posture. When doing planking exercise regularly, it improves and fine-tunes your posture. The good posture maintains your bones and joints in the correct alignment and decreases your chance of getting joint pains. The overall effectiveness of your muscles will be improved. A good posture helps you to get better looking and more confident. Increases your flexibility. Flexibility is all coming from expanding and stretching all your posterior muscle groups. It's one of the key benefits of doing this plank pose regularly. Flexibility also improves your movement speed by supporting your body's weight with strength. Reduce stress and anxiety. The plank pose stretches the muscle that are responsible for stress-producing hormones. So it improves the overall mood of both the mind and the body. You are busy all day. Your muscles tighten up. Your legs get heavy. It leads to a pressurized situation. This plank exercise releases your muscle group and it calms your mind and relaxes your body. Next, let's see how to do a plank position in a correct way. 5 steps to do that in a correct way. Get into a push-up position. Step 2. Bend your elbows to 90 degrees. Step 3. Keep your body straight from ears to toes with no bending. Step 4. Relax every muscle group and breathe slowly. Step 5. Hold the position as long as you can. Next, how to gradually increase your plank time. Start with a basic plank. There are more variations of planks. Practice daily to increase your plank time at least 2 to 3 seconds on every plank you do. Push yourself. This will increase your core muscle strength. Try other exercises like squats and push-ups to increase your strength. It will also help to increase your holding time of plank exercise. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you need to show this video to your family or someone you want, just share this video. And lastly, my recommendations for you to watch next are